Alright guys, we're coming into round one here at the Vancouver Mall here in Vancouver, Washington. Now where is the elevator? The elevator's over here. It's kind of weird. Here's the elevator. I like this. It's ThyssenKrupp here to ride. Elevator A. This used to be a Sears store, and then this elevator came in after they subdivided the space into two. Hobby Lobby being mostly in the lower floor, and the upper floor is the round one. Let's go to two. Got Atoll. Clock. It's actually pretty nice, even though this thing is dirty AF. Takes like 3 million seconds to level. Here we are. Look at that weird controller. Oh, round one. See, it says on the certificate file, this is former Sears at Vancouver Mall. That's so cool. It opens right up into round one. ThyssenKrupp elevator. This elevator could be maintained better. Obviously, it has a leaky controller with the wiring the chimes. No, I mean the passing chime, but the directional chimes. Atoll. Lovely. That one. That's weird. And there are the big steps. Lots of steps. And there goes the elevator. And over here we have a turn-off escalator here that goes up to round one up there. See? Turn-off escalator. And right behind that wall is Hobby Lobby. So anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.